फरहान एजुकेशन सोसाइटी ने अपने 50 साल कंप्लीट किए हैं, यानी गोल्डन जुबली कंप्लीट की है फरहान एजुकेशन सोसाइटी फरहान हाई स्कूल नेशनल लिली रोज, जो कि शहर का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट रेनोवेंट स्कूल है। जी हाँ, आप सबको बताते हैं कि मैंने खुद भी यहाँ पर पढ़ाई की है और मेरे अलावा यहाँ पे ऐसे कई सारे लोग हैं जो बच्चे पढ़कर आज बहुत अलग अलग पोजीशंस पर मौजूद हैं। कई सारे लोगों ने तरक्कियाँ हासिल की हैं फरहान हाई स्कूल से पढ़कर, नेशनल लिली रोज स्कूल से पढ़कर। जी, अंडर द एबल गाइडेंस ऑफ चेयरमैन जनाब अब्दुल हमीद साहब और प्रिंसिपल मोहम्मदी मैडम के साथ साथ अब्दुल वहीद साहब, सेक्रेटरी जनाब यूसुफ आदिल साहब, जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी, कॉलेज इंचार्ज सीमा खान साहिबा और जनाब अजमत साहब यहाँ पर मौजूद थे। और एक साइंस मैथ सोशल एग्जीबिशन ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया था गोल्डन जुबली के मौके पर। यह काफी अच्छे तरीके से हम आपको बताते हैं कि फरहान स्कूल के अंदर अगर हम देखें तो क्वालिफाइड टीचर्स आपको मिलेंगे और बच्चे काफी यहाँ पर अच्छे मॉडल्स बनाकर गाइड भी किए टीचर्स, और बच्चों की मेहनत देखते हुए हमीद सर और मोहम्मद मैडम ने सभी को अप्रिशिएट भी किया। फरहान स्कूल अपनी क्वालिटी एजुकेशन में जाना जाता है और आपके फ्यूचर को सिक्योर करता है क्वालिटी एजुकेशन से। वही तालीम को चलते हुए कई सारे लोगों ने, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि कई डॉक्टर्स बने हैं, कई इंजीनियर्स बने हैं, कई एरोनॉटिकल इंजीनियर्स भी बने हैं और कई स्टूडेंट्स जर्नलिस्ट भी बने हैं। स्टूडेंट्स काफी सक्सेसफुल फील्ड्स में आज मौजूद हैं। 50 साल के लिए हम भी उन्हें मुबारकबाद देते हैं।
Good morning. We are the students of 10th C. Today we are here to explain about some important bones. We'll start with skull. There are 29. It involves 29 bone in human skull, which includes 8 cranial, 14 facial, 6 auditory, and 1 hyoid bone. Mandible, the largest and the strongest bone of human facial. It holds the bottom teeth. Temporomandibular joint allows the jaws to move while talking, eating, chewing, and yawning.
Today we are here to display our project name Electricity from Non-Biodegradable Waste. We know that one of the common and no doubt the most non-biodegradable waste is plastic. Every year India generates 3.5 millions of plastic waste, in which 9% can be recycled, rest all get accumulated and causes pollution. So to reduce this pollution, this project was started by a group of scientists from Mayang Technology University, Singapore, to convert plastic trash into electricity. We are here to explain about a hydropower plant. How does it work? The water is stored in a reservoir. The water in a reservoir has a potential energy. The water is released by the pipes. The pipe releases the water by pressure. The water hits the turbine and turbine spins a generator, which produces the electricity which can be used for different purposes.
The type of geothermal power plant we have made is flash steam plant. This type is used where there is an availability of hot spring at a high temperature of over 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The water from the hot spring enters into the flash tank, which separate the vapors and the liquid phases of mixtures. These tanks work by rapidly reducing the pressure on a heated liquid mixture, causing some of the liquid to flash into steam. The steam then rotates the turbine, which activates the generator to produce electricity. The electricity is loaded to transmission tower and is supplied to houses, buildings, streets, etc. The model is about hazardous waste management. So let us understand what is hazardous waste. Hazardous waste is a waste with properties that make it potentially dangerous or harmful to the environment, including human beings, plants and animals. These are toxic substances generated from industries, hospitals, factories, homes, etc. They may be corrosive, flammable and even explosive. For example, atomic waste, nuclear waste and contaminated minerals, poisons, etc. that are not degradable by nature. These wastes are collected at one place and get separated based on their properties. They are mainly classified into 3 types. The first is biohazard, the next is radioactive hazard, and third is chemical hazard. We are the students of 9C. Here we are standing for the representation of our science model. Our topic is the smart bridge, which is also known as hydraulic bridge. The founder of smart bridge is Amarinder Katam. He had 15 years of experience in industrial controls and networks. Now let us come to the model, smart bridge. Smart bridge is a very advanced type of bridge monitoring system. These are equipped with various sensors that collect data on structural health, traffic conditions, environmental factors and other parameters. These sensors provide real-time information for monitoring and decision making.
We are the students of 10th A. We are here to represent a model on carbon purification for industries. The main aim of my project is to purify the carbon that is emitted as a byproduct from many industries. Carbon combines with atmospheric oxygen and forms carbon dioxide, which is one of the greenhouse gas that causes global warming and in turn leads to climatic changes. Now let me explain the setup. So here you can see we have shown a factory releasing smoke, a rotating conveyor belt which rotates on solar energy. For that we have shown solar panel. One end of the conveyor belt is dipped in water chamber. You can see a filtration plant to filter carbon. Now let me explain the working. Yes sir, directly it is dissolving in water. Now let me explain the working. The smoke that is released from the factory is connected to conveyor belt, which is moving continuously. Through the conveyor belt, the carbon particles enters the water chamber.
Good afternoon everyone. I Saida Misab Rahman and I we are of class 8C and today we are explaining about one of the cells present in our body, that is the nerve cell neuron. First let us understand what is neuron. Neuron is the fundamental unit of the nervous system specialized to transmit information through different parts of the body. Neuron or nerve cell is a structural and functional unit. It helps to transmit signals to and from different parts of the body. The signals are in both electrical and chemical forms.
The basic functions of neuron receive signals or information. Integrate incoming signals to determine whether or not the information is passed along. Communicate signals to target cells, other neurons, muscles, or glands.
Let me explain how exactly do these signals pass through between the neurons.
Good afternoon. I, Yusra Nabia, student of class 9, is standing here to represent my mathematics model based on coordinate geometry. Now question arises, what is coordinate geometry and who is the father of coordinate geometry? Basically, coordinate geometry is used to locate a point at a plane. The father of coordinate geometry is Leonard Esprit. To locate a point, we require two perpendicular lines. One is horizontal and another is vertical. This horizontal line is also known as x-axis and abscissa. This vertical line is also known as y-axis and ordinate. Further, my friend will continue.
When these two lines, that is x-axis and y-axis, intersect perpendicularly at origin, which divides the plane into four parts. Each part is known as quadrant. First quadrant contains only positive coordinates. Second quadrant contains negative and positive coordinates.
Good afternoon everyone. I am Mohammad Iddiq of the class 8. We stand before you to introduce our model. Our model is anti-slip goggles for driver.
Good afternoon. I, Ali Mustafa of class 8, stand here to represent my model anti-slip goggle for drivers. In modern time, going through a hectic schedule, it became very difficult to remain active all the time. Imagine the situation where a person driving home, dead tired after facing all the challenges of the day. His hands are on the wheel and foot are on the pedal. But suddenly he starts feeling drowsy, his eyes start sweating and his vision blurs. And before he knows, he falls asleep. Falling asleep on the wheel can lead to serious consequences. There may be an accident and people even lose their life. This situation is much more common than we notice. So to counter this problem, we have came up with a driver anti-slip goggle. This system is especially useful for people who travel long distance or who are traveling late at night. The students also use this if they are feeling drowsy. This system will alert them. Thank you. Now my friend is going to explain for them.
Good afternoon, myself Omar Rashid. I am of class 9. I am going to explain about the model laser security system. Security is nothing but making things to be secure.
Good afternoon. Myself Ghulam Muhammad Zamir from class 8 section B.
Good afternoon. Myself Mohammad Jafar Khan from class 3 section B. I am excited to introduce our science project.
My project is automatic plant watering system. So our project is automatic plant watering system. So there is an integrated sensor which says that the plant has moisture or not, or you can say water or not. Then this sensor says if it does not have water, then it sends signal to the Arduino chip and the water starts flowing. So there are two modes, automatic mode and manual mode. In automatic mode, the plant will water itself directly, and in manual mode, the discriminated chip will send signal to your mobile phone that should you water the plants or not. Well, if only you allow, it will water the plants. And there is one limitation that is going to say it by my friend.
There is one disadvantage in automatic plant watering system. If the sensor is very deep in the ground, it will not work.
Good afternoon. As this exhibition is very well organized, it's all because of the support of the teacher and the students also. It's a very well planned and organized in a very well manner, and students have also did a very well in this. It's all because of the hard work of the teachers and the dedication of the management also. They have given a very big space so that the talents can come out. Even I hope this in the coming future, the exhibition should be conducted in this way so that the students can get more talent and they can more space to bring their talents. Thank you very much.
काबिल तारीफ है, एक से एक मॉडल बने। बच्चों से ज़्यादा टीचरों की मेहनत है, बच्चों की भी मेहनत है।
The science exhibition here is truly impressive and the students are improving, and I saw here a remarkable creativity, passion and development in their projects. Being at a small age, they are doing much well.
फारा एजुकेशन सोसाइटी की जानिब से जो एग्जीबिशन रखी गई है माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छी नज़र आई हम लोगों को। हमने जो भी मॉडल्स देखे, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह टीचर्स हो या फिर यहाँ का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हो, इतनी मेहनत ये है कि तबीयत हमारी खुश हो गई, बहुत जो है ना आगे फ़ायदेमंद साबित होगी। बहुत कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो लोग। इस मौके पर मैं मुबारकबाद देना चाहूँगी तमाम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मेंबर्स को और एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के जो भी अरकान हैं यहाँ पर, उनको खास तौर से बहुत बहुत मुबारक।
फरहान हाई स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स की जानिब से सोशल साइंस और जनरल साइंस पर जो एग्जीबिशन हुई, अभी हम पूरी विजिट करके आए हैं और हमको बहुत खुशी हुई कि हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशन में बहुत ही टैलेंटेड टीचर, टैलेंटेड बच्चे हैं, जो उनकी वजह से जो एग्जीबिशन तैयार हुई और बहुत काबिल तारीफ़ है। बहुत हार्ड वर्क किए हैं बच्चे, बहुत मेहनत किए हैं। कई सब्जेक्ट तो ऐसे हैं जो सिर्फ एक्सपर्ट साइंस एक्सपर्ट ही समझ सकते हैं। हम लोग नॉन साइंस स्टूडेंट कैन नॉट अंडरस्टैंड। बात तो ऐसे इतनी स्टैंडर्ड है, ये स्टैंडर्ड को मेंटेन करना चाहिए, न सिर्फ एग्जीबिशन के लिए मेंटेन करना चाहिए बल्कि ओवरऑल जनरल स्टैंडर्ड भी इसी तरह मेंटेन करना चाहिए। यही टीचर की जिम्मेदारी है और मुझे उम्मीद है कि हमारे टीचर इस जिम्मेदारी को निभा रहे हैं, निभाएंगे और फ्यूचर में हमारे टीचर के लिए इससे बेहतर स्टडी भी बच्चों को देंगे और एग्जीबिशन भी करेंगे।
आज 8 दिसंबर को जो एग्जीबिशन हमारे स्कूल में यानी फरहान हाई स्कूल में जो एग्जीबिशन कंडक्ट हुआ है सोशल स्टडीज़ और साइंस के बारे में, बहुत अच्छी एग्जीबिशन है। अपने लेवल से भी ज़्यादा बच्चों ने और टीचर्स ने मेहनत की है और इस एग्जीबिशन का क्रेडिट टीचर्स को और बच्चों को दोनों को जाता है। मुझे उम्मीद है कि आइंदा भी बच्चे इसी तरीके से मेहनत करेंगे और अपने आप को अपग्रेड करने की कोशिश करेंगे और आइंदा अपने स्टैंडर्ड को एक इससे जाहिर होता है कि हमारे स्कूल का स्टैंडर्ड ग्रेजुअली इम्प्रूवमेंट में आ रहा है और उम्मीद करती हूँ मैं कि आइंदा भी इसी तरीके से और ज़्यादा उम्मीद करती हूँ कि ग्रेजुअली जो है स्टैंडर्ड ऊंचा होता रहेगा।
Thank you for watching Go Hatch. Like, share and subscribe our channel.